Today I'm going to be talking to you about soloing strategies. I like to use these three main soloing strategies. The first one being sung melodies, the second one is scalar movement, and the third one is arpeggios. So let's get into it. The sung melodies is a great way to create very memorable lines. I found that anytime I come up with something that I've just sort of like sung or hummed or whistled over a chord progression, it's always very sing-along type, very memorable. The scalar movement always helps. It's kind of like a framework that most guitar players actually use to get from point A to point B. They have the confines of a scale and they kind of play within that, but it also offers a lot of opportunity to add other notes as well, to borrow notes from other keys to kind of make your playing sound a lot more colorful. The third one is arpeggios, which is going to help you hit all those chord tones, and it's going to make your playing sound way more established. So let me take you through a couple examples over here. Let's start with sung melodies. So I've got a backing track, a simple little backing track over here, just G, C, and D. So G, C, and D major. I've got a melody that I'm thinking about over here, which is now the first step is just to find that on the fretboard. And if you can find that, just that alone shortens the time between composition and execution, just playing it on the fretboard. So maybe on a higher octave. So with the backing track, it's going to be. Now, if I were to include scalar, so I'm going to play sung melody and then some scalar stuff, I'd go. The last step is probably to use some arpeggiation or arpeggiating one of those chords. So let's say we arpeggiate the D major. So using that sort of arpeggio. So let's go. There you go. So 3 different strategies for you to try, and I hope you have some fun with it. So sung melodies, scalar movement, arpeggios. I'll see you in the next one, my friends. Have a good one. Bye-bye.